Okay, let's take this baby for a flight. Here's your keys real quick. This takes you up and down, left and right. This fine tunes it when it's hovering. Basically, you lift it off and then you use these buttons. If it's scooching a little left, you hit to the right. If it's going the other way, you fine tune it so it finds a good hover. Then these buttons, this one's just silly. It sends it in circles, the top one. That just sends it in circles. This one, what does that one do? That one tells it to land, and this one tells it to take off, but the land button I haven't had good success with. It basically drives straight away from you. And then this button's really important to know. That one's kill power. So you don't want to kill power at the wrong moment and have it drop into a lake or trees. So be careful with that. All right, take off. All right, you go there. That starts it. Second one lifts it up. Always want to keep that red orientation. Look, it doesn't need any fine tuning. Maybe a little forward. Whoa. Okay, fine tuning. A little bit of left fine tune. Come on, left fine tune. Got to give it a second for it to start kicking in. There. See, now it's going left. A little bit more right. A little bit more right. I said a little bit more right. A little bit more left. All right, that should be pretty good. What do we want to do next? Always keep that orientation. You control how this thing spins with this button, the left button. So there it goes spinning. Okay, there. Want that red. That's the easiest way to fly, is keeping that red pointed right at you. All right. Then this tilts it left, tilts it right, brings it forward, brings it back. That's the best way. So you don't mess with this left button too much, because that's what gets you in trouble. All right, the red light is blinking. That means the battery's low, so let's bring it back. Back, 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 back. Up. Up, back, 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 back. All right, then you hit the land button. And you're done. Power off. Power off.